digit lead here, 99-87, as the fourth quarter is now underway here at the Nagaño Gym in NEUST San Leonardo, Nueva Ecija. Cadiz pulls up for the jumper, no good. Flores, the defensive rebound. Nepomuceno pushing the break, look away pass, can't finish, but the offensive rebound by Espino. Cleaning up the mess as Manila again trying to pull away once again. Back up by 14. Linganay against Espino. Now against Quiminales. Back to the game here. Ace Espino already with 14 points on 4 of 4 shooting from Blaze threes. What an impact this guy has had off the bench. A spark plug off the bench as the lead has ballooned to its biggest lead at 20. Tolomia back in the game here. Muhammad with a spin and he draws a foul. 2 free throws for the Valientes here. They need every point they can get here. Flores called for the foul.
Aldrin Badong coming in for RC Flores.
Aldrin Balong, or Badong rather, checking in the game for Flores. Wide left on the first free throw is Alexander Mohammed. Second one is good. Still a 19-point advantage for Manila MLB here. And an offensive foul on Aldrin Badong. A moving screen as he tried to give his teammate some room there. Tolomia setting up the play here. Tolomia, the spin, the kick out to Cadiz. Open for 3. In and out as well. Now Nepomuceno, another board here. Look away pass is deflected. Cadiz on the break. And a foul is called. And one. So a 4-point play opportunity after that Blaze 3. Denver Cadiz pushing the pace here and getting rewarded with a Blaze 3 and a bonus free throw. What I gather from Denver Cadiz as he gets a chance for a bonus here. They need more of his offense as he completes the 4-point play. Still a 15-point hole that the Valientes are stuck here. Chua inside. Badong looking for a teammate. Gives it to Quiminales outside. Del Carmen back in the game. Almost losing it. Quiminales inside to Badong.
Aldrin Badong.
Nice find from Paulo Quiminales for that short stab by Aldrin Badong. Back to a 17-point lead. Tolomia throws it up and draws the foul.
Foul number 2, Michael Carmen is hurt. 2 free throws, Mike Tolomia.
2 free throws for Mike Tolomia. As Del Carmen gets called for a foul, so no good on the first one. Again, the Valientes need every point they can get here as they are down big with time running out. As Mike splits his free throws. 16-point edge for Manila MLB. Del Carmen. No good on the floater. And Cadiz on the break. Tolomia floats in the air, can't finish. Esperat gets it stolen. Espino, or Chua rather. No good on the layup. Tolomia pulls up for three and it's good.
Tolomia, three!
Mike Tolomia. It's his time to take over now. The lead is down to 13 for Manila MLB. Del Carmen signaling the number 2 play here. Looks like a blind pick action that time. And nice finish for Mark Yu off of Paulo Quiminales. Cadiz no good, but the second serving by Alex Mohammed is good. 13-point lead. And Tolomia almost with a steal there.
Bonito Lebron replacing
Bothering the offense that time.
16 seconds to shoot.
4 minutes gone by into this fourth and final quarter here. The Valientes have to make their move. Mark Yu to the middle. Quiminales back to you. A two-man game. What a nice connection.
Paulo Quiminales.
Quiminales has been showing his playmaking ability here as a center. And ball is back with Manila MLB here. Tolomia just laughing it off. Yu. Straight line drive. Last second drop pass is good.
Rob Chua.
Rob Chua was in the perfect place, in the perfect time. Tolomia for three. No good. Esperat keeps it alive. Tolomia, another chance. Still no go. Cadiz, third serving. Can't buy a basket here, but they draw a foul.
Foul number 2, Mike Del Carmen.
So Mike Del Carmen, another foul.
Denver Cadiz.
Cadiz on the line. Still no go on the first free throw. Uncharacteristic misses here for the point guard. Usually should be a steady free throw shooter as he gets the second charity to go. Mabaza back in the game for Sharif Uking. They get it across. Del Carmen. LeBron, the midi, no good. Tolomia taking matters into his own hands and gets the lefty layup to fall. Valientes still down big here. They're down by 14. Mark Yu can slow things down here. Can waste away some time. Yu using the screen. Goes inside. Chua denied by Cadiz, but there was contact. So 2 free throws for Rob Chua.
Game foul number 88. Denver Cadiz is second. RC Flores comes in.
Looks like there's blood on the nose of Denver Cadiz.
For 2, Rob Chua.
So he has to be subbed out here. As Chua makes the first free throw. So the medical staff attending to Denver Cadiz.
It's a mandatory sub for Denver Cadiz.
Second free throw is good for Rob Chua. Back to a 16-point edge for Manila MLB. Tolomia pulls up for three. No good. Esperat, the offensive rebound. And Mohammed cleans up the mess. $14-point lead being chased here by the Valientes. Teardrop doesn't work, but there's a foul before the shot.
Foul on number 15, Ferdinand Mabasa. Ferdinand Mabasa, 6 fouls.
So 6 fouls already for Ferdinand Mabaza. He's done for the day here.
Alvin Chong replacing Ferdinand Mabasa.
Chong checking in for Mabaza.
14 to shoot.
Jimenez surveying the floor, now attacking and powering his way inside.
Jimenez.
What power and concentration has or does Paulo Jimenez have? Lead is back to 16 here. Tolomia blitzed here by the defense. Esperat behind the back to the corner for three. Off the mark. And Mohammed commits a foul on RC Flores.
Foul number 23. Alex Mohammed is second.
We approach the last 5 minutes of our game here. Manila MLB looking good with a 16-point edge. But the game is not yet over here. Valientes still alive, trying to make a last push here. Mark Yu setting it up. Jimenez back to you. Attacks left and finishes with the right hand. Great strong drive there. And the finish. 18-point lead. Mohammed drop pass and nice find to Jerome Ferrer. And Coach RJ Argamino wants his team to execute a full court pressure here. $16-point lead. Yu throws it up and gets the friendly roll there. As the points keep pouring here for Manila MLB. They're back up by 18. And the steal by Nepomuceno. And on the leak out, Mark Yu all alone for that blaze three. And the bench is up and celebrating as Zamboanga Valientes have to talk things over here. They are down by 21 big points. We'll be back after this timeout. Again, take a look at these highlights right here. Mark Yu almost had given up that time, but still finishes that one, and another shot that time as he now has a double-double, 27 points, 10 assists. On top of 3 steals, he has been scoring blaze 3 after another. He has been the main spark plug here for Manila MLB to grab this huge lead. Mohammed.
Alex Mohammed.
The short stab is good. They need more of that as time is running out here for the Zamboanga Valientes. Mark Yu using the Jimenez screen. Nepomuceno inside. Stolen by Muhammad. Ninganay attacks. Too strong on that shot. Now all alone. Paulo Quiminales just finger rolls it in. But still, it's good for 3 points. After he scored it within 5 seconds from advancing from the backcourt. So a finger roll, good for 3 points. Lead has ballooned to 22. Now it's this is the biggest lead of the game here. So the referees discussing something here with the head officials. As Coach RJ Argamino waiting for the word from the referee. RJ Argamino, former College of St. Benilde point guard, now calling the shots for the Zamboanga team here. Take a look at this replay. Zamboanga Valientes. Rudy Linganay throwing up that shot. Didn't get that basket to fall.
Technical foul on Zamboanga Valientes head coach RJ Argamino. Coach RJ Argamino had a technical foul earlier. Coach RJ Argamino will be disqualified from the game or out of the playing court.
So a technical foul on Coach RJ Argamino. Disqualifying foul there. So he has to leave the court here. So the misfortunes continue here for the Valientes with less than 3 minutes to go in this game. Argamino still having a word here with the referee.
Mike Tadomia comes in for Rudy Linganay. Technical free throw, Mark Hugh.
So Mark Hugh will take the technical free throw here. And gets the bounce. This is the biggest lead of the game here. .23 lead.
Denver Nuggets comes in for Jerome Ferrer. 14 seconds to shoot.
Cadiz pulls up for 3. Short. And Nepomuceno, another rebound there. And Chua again with another league out opportunity.
Blaze 3.
So another Blaze 3.
Nepomuceno.
And that all started from LA Nepomuceno with the heady playmaking skills here. Tolomia kicks it out to the wing for 3. That's Chong, Alvin Chong. He hit a 3 earlier. That's his second 3-pointer of the game.
Last 2 minutes.
So we are inside the last 2 minutes of the game here. Cadiz with a steal. No good on the 3 by Khalid Mohamed Noor. Yu. Nepomuceno. Another fancy pass to Yu. Muhammad with the rebound. 2-on-1, 3-on-1 break here. And Chong with the finish.
Alvin Chong. Timeout Manila MLB.
So Manila MLB calls for timeout here as they try to finish this game on a high note here. They lead 133 to 112. We'll be right back after this. Back in the game here. Approaching the last minute of our game here. Manila MLB, barring any miscues here, are on their way to grab this victory here against the Zamboanga Valientes. They are on their way to improving their record to 2-5. While the Valientes will remain winless with 0-3. So the most recent basket by Chong was upgraded to a Blaze 3. Flores on the move and a straight line drive. Little resistance from the defense that time. Corner 3 is good. Khalid Mohamed Noor. As Manila MLB wants to talk things over once again despite enjoying this huge lead, 135 to 116. We'll be back after this. Back to the game here. Less than a minute to go in this game right here. Manila MLB poised to grab this victory and improve to 2-5. No look feed to Quintos. That's Clint Andre Quintos scoring his first basket of the game, and Esperat answers on the other end. Blaze 3 for Kevin Esperat. Quintos draws the foul on Chong.
Chong penalty is third foul. 2 free throws. Clint Quintos.
Clint Quintos, a chance to extend this scoring here, but can't make the first free throw. No good, but the offensive rebound. And Ronquillos, or Ronquillo rather, scoring on that offensive rebound. So the bench players making their mark here in the waning seconds of this game here. Chance for the bench players to get some extra playing time here. So ball stays on this side here. Esperat, the drive. No good. Badong fakes the 3. Now on the other corner for 3. No good with that look away 3. Cadiz throws it up. And that's the final buzzer. Manila MLB cruising to this victory over the Zamboanga Valientes, 139 to 119. A blowout victory. So, rather, the final score is 139 to 121.
For the win by
A 27, a huge victory for the Manila MLB to snap their 3-game losing streak. As Rob Chua has been the star of the show for the Blackshires. 31 points and 2 rebounds away from a double-double alongside 2 steals to be the man of the moment. 139 to 121 is our final score. Manila MLB improving to 2-5 while the Zamboanga Valientes falling to 0-3, still winless in their 3 games in this tournament. So Manila MLB snapping their 3-game losing streak